Hi viewers, welcome to our channel the Climax International. We are uploading ice maker related products frequently. In this video you will find laser engraver for wood and metal, craft paper, acrylic, and leather, xTool D1 Pro Laser Engraver with RA2 Pro, 20 watts output laser cutter DIY laser engraving machine, 120 watts laser cutter and engraving machine. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information.
Top cutting capability of 20 watts. The xTool D1 Pro 20 watts is an excellent acrylic cutting machine with the power of an industrial CNC cutter thanks to its 20 watts high power laser output. A 10 mm wood cutter and an 8 mm black acrylic cutter can be made at the same time. It is ideal for individuals who require exceptional laser machine cutting capabilities. The cutting capacity is related to the laser's output power, not the machine's power. High accuracy and fast laser engraving machine. Your wood carving will be clearer thanks to the D1 Pro 20 watts laser head's use of compressed spot technology with a resolution of 1000 dots per inch, DPI. High motion accuracy of 0.01 mm and repeat positioning accuracy of 0.02 mm are guaranteed by the distinctive belt tension adjustment device and steel shaft wheel guide rail design. Processing speeds up to 24,000 mm per minute are possible. You can effectively and quickly finish your engraving artwork with these tools. Simple to use and safe. The eye protection design of the xTool D1 Pro 20 watts laser head prevents the laser from affecting the eyes. During processing, the laser engraver machine will immediately stop if it is moved or tilted. The flame alarm function can stop wood from burning, so you can carve with confidence. Offline processing is supported by the large capacity SD card that is built in. In order to free yourself from the constraints of wires, it supports both USB and Wi-Fi connections. High quality and long-lasting. The service life of a blue light semiconductor laser can reach 10,000 hours. An excellent control algorithm prolongs motor life and reduces vibration. Equipment collisions with edges are prevented and unnecessary wear and tear is minimized by high-precision wear-resistant slide rails and 4-way hard limiters. The integrated auxiliary blowing nozzle in the laser head protection lens prevents lens breakage and pollution-induced laser power attenuation. RA2 Pro Rotary and D1 Pro 20 watts, the world's first laser rotary attachment with a roller rotary, chuck rotary, sphere engraving module, and ring engraving stud is the xTool RA2 Pro. By altering the accessories, such as a wine glass, Yeti tumbler, baseball bat, ring, ball, or mug with handle, you can almost completely unleash your creativity. With the riser column included in the package, you can carve even more objects and create more possibilities.